welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second episode of this series where for 7 days I am creating different makeup looks but only using one eyeshadow palette. This one by MAC Cosmetics, it's Designer. It is a beautiful super bold palette. A review on this palette you can find on my channel. The link I will be having down below, so make sure you check that out. So let's start now with the makeup. So the first thing that I want to do as always is to prime my face, and this time I will be using this primer from NYX Cosmetics, and I'll spray it all over my face. Then I will be using some eye cream, and I'm having this one by Chanel. I am always priming my eyes. I do have a super dry skin, like here around the eyes, and when I'm using an eye cream, then the application of my concealer, it's much easier, and also the concealer it won't, you know, like dry, and it won't set into my fine line. So it is a very good trick if you want to make your concealer hold longer and look flawless for hours. The next thing that I want to prime is my lips, and I'm using this lip balm by The Body Shop. Now I'll move to the foundation, and I will be combining like two products, a liquid highlighter from L'Oreal with this foundation from Kat Von D. And by the way, did you know that Kat Von D like sold her company? I think it's called now KVD Vegan Beauty, I think. But let me know in the comments below if I'm getting this right or not. So anyways, I will be combining these two together. It is the perfect combination if you want to have like a super glowy but not dewy base. So this foundation, it's a matte formula, so by combining it with a liquid highlighter, it will give you like this glowy and healthy finish, and I really like combining these two products together. And what I do is just apply some of my highlighter here on the back of my hand, and then go with the foundation just like that, see, and then I will mix these two together, and then just with my finger I'll just spread that all over my face, and with the damp beauty blender I'll just blend my foundation with a highlighter, and I am making sure that I'm bringing that down to my neck so that my neck matches of course my face. For concealer, I'll take the Fenty Beauty, and I'm in the shade 160. Now, as always, I will set my foundation and concealer by using a finishing powder, this one by NYX Cosmetics. And I am using a big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics in the number of V1, and I will apply it all over my face. And to make sure that my foundation stays put, I will use this setting spray from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm pressing everything together again with the beauty blender. This is a nice trick if you want to make sure that your foundation and concealer are staying like for hours. I have tested this method so many times and it works even in the summer, so this is a nice trick if you wanna try and see if it also works for you. So now for bronzer, I will go and use this Glowgasm Face Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I have a review on this palette on my channel and the link you can find down below. And now to apply my bronzer, I will be using a smaller brush. I have found that using a smaller face brush will work a lot better for applying your bronzer, at least with this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the bronzer and apply it on my forehead, cheek hollows, and on my jawline. Now I will go and fill in my brows, and I am using this brow pencil from Pretty Vulgar. And firstly I will use the spoolie just to brush them up a little bit, and then to shape them and give some color I'll just use the other end. Okay, so now let's move to the eyes, and I will prime my eyelids with this eyeshadow stick by Mercier, Vanilla Kiss, and I'll blend that using a concealer brush from Real Techniques. Now from the It's Designer eyeshadow palette by MAC Cosmetics, I will take with crease eyeshadow brush the shade Can't Afford This, and I'll apply it into my crease and buff it slightly up to my brow. So now next, taking a flat brush, I will go and take the green eyeshadow. My kid could make that, crazy name, and I'll apply it on the outer half of my eyelid and as well on my lower lashes. And next to that green color, I will apply the yellow color, Chrome Yellow, and I will blend carefully the two colors together. And the yellow color I will apply as well here on the inner part of my eyelashes. And now the same red color, the candle for this, I will be applying here on my inner corner. Okay, so now I'll just curl my lashes, apply some false lashes and some mascara, mostly on my lower lashes. And I will be using the Full Fat Lashes mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, now for the lips, I will be using two lip products, a lip pencil, this one by Gerard Cosmetics in Nude. I have a review on this lip pencils on my channel, and a link you can find down below. And as a lipstick, I will use this one by Honest Beauty in Blossom, a full makeup look using only products from Honest Beauty. You can find on my channel, and a link I will be having down below. So now I'll just contour my lips and fill them slightly with this lip pencil, and then on top of that I will use the lipstick. Okay, so now let's add some blush and highlighter, and for that I will be using again the Glowgasm Face Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'll apply the highlighter with my finger. And voila, this is the final result. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a beautiful eye makeup look as well for the summer. It's so fresh with these light colors. I really do like it. Let me know in the comments below if you also like it. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification. And I will see you tomorrow with another makeup look. Bye!